Today, we are discussing about babies, the meaning of baby or babies in African, in Black, or Sudanese, or Maban, you can call it. So what it means, what the meaning of it. So Kakan are babies. Kakan, babies. Kaka is baby. Kaka is a baby. Kakan are babies. Kashi is a child. Kasi is child. Kagan are children. Kagan are children. So let's move to meaning. So the meaning of Kakan, kaka, in Sudanese, in Maban, or Black language, or oral, it means ambition, dreams, and to climb up the mountain, to climb up the tree. And that's the meaning of Kakan, kaka. So kaka is a baby, Kakan is babies. Kakan are babies.